7.3 Unit Analysis 3, Weight. We're talking about weight. We need to remember a couple of different types of conversions. We have our milligrams to grams. This is a very important one. It will be used quite often. 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. Another one that is used often is 1 gram is 100 centigrams. And 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. Those are often used the most, but it can be also noted that we will use 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. So it just depends on what they're asking. So in this case, we have example 1. It says 5 kilograms, and we want to convert into grams. And we just happen to know 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So we can convert to grams from kilograms. And 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. Cross off your kilograms and multiply. 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. Let's look at example 2. We want to convert 659 and 43 milligrams to centigrams. So what do we know? Well, we need to know that 1 centigram is equal to 10 milligrams. So if we know that this, we can start with what we know, 659.43 milligrams. And we know that there are 10 milligrams in 1 centigram. We can then divide 659 and 43 hundredths divided by 10. That means move the decimal 1 time, and you would get 65 and 943 centigrams. The other way that you could do it is you could identify what you know, 659 and 43 milligrams. What do you know about a milligram? You know that 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. That was something that I had told you in the chart. 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. Milligrams cancels. What do you know about a gram? You know 1 gram is equal to 100 centigrams, again, because of the table. Grams cancels, and I multiply across. So I'm going to move my decimal 2 times to the right because I'm multiplying by 100, and I get 65943. This is a comma, divided by 1,000. When I divide by 1,000, my decimal point moves to the left 3, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to get 65.943 centigrams. Now the common weights that we will use for the US system is that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces and 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. And I've stated that again here, but because I'm saying it, I'm going to make you draw, that box. And again, those are the most important pieces. We also want to know your tablespoons and things like that, but most of the time, I'm going to ask you about your pounds and tons and ounces. So let's look at the first example for this. We have example 3, convert 5 1/4 pound to ounces. So a couple of things that you can remember about 5 1/4. You could do 21 fourths, divide 21 divided by 4, and you get 5.25. Or you could remember that 1/4 means 0.25 and convert it to a decimal. That's the easiest way to go about this. Then we're going to convert to ounces. What do you know about 1 pound? We know 1 pound is 16 ounces. Multiply 5.25 times 16, and we get 84 ounces. Convert 3 tons to pounds. So I have 3 tons. What do I know about 1 ton? I know 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. Tons cancels. I'm going to do 3 times 2, which is 6. Add the zeros, and I get 6,000 pounds. I could also multiply my calculator 3 times 2,000 to get 6,000. A full-grown Holstein cow weighs an average of 1,500 pounds. Convert to tons. We're going to use that same conversion. We're going to have our 1,500 pounds, and I want to convert 2,000 pounds for 1 ton. I want to convert 2 tons, so I need to divide. I have 1,500 divided by 2,000. When I simplify this, I could look at it as a fraction 15 over 20 and then simplify, or put it in my calculator and I would get 0.75 tons. I could also divide and simplify and say it's 3/4 of a ton. And that is 7.3, Unit Analysis 3, weight.